Hi guys, hope you're all fine. This video will be part 1 of the phonics series. If you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, you might have known. I already mentioned about this. I'm telling again for those who are new to this channel. In this phonics series, I will be sharing videos on how to teach phonics to kids. This phonics series will be a step-by-step guide on how to teach kids to read, that is, to read phonetically. So let's quickly get into the video. When to start? You can start when your kids are around 3 or 3.5. It can be a puzzle to work out how to support the kid through the early stages of reading. But please don't panic, this is going to be super easy. What to teach? First thing is, children should know the letter names. That is, English has 26 letters and the kid should know or should be able to identify all the 26 letters. So the first step is to teach individual sound of all the 26 letters. There are two methods to teach this, that is, you can teach alphabet and its sound simultaneously. That is, show a flashcard of letter A. You can teach like this. This is A, the name of the letter is A and the sound of the letter is A. In this method, the child learns the letter and the sound together. But I personally don't like this way of teaching because at times children might get confused in between the name of the letter and sound of the letter. So what I followed for my kid is, before starting sound, I taught all the 26 letters as names. I taught him to identify and also to write. Later on, when he is familiar with all the alphabets, I started with sound. You can follow any of these two methods, but once you start with the method, please make sure to stick to it. So the first step of teaching phonics to kids is to teach the individual sounds of all the 26 letters. How to teach? Please check out the link in the description box. There I shared a video where you can find the sounds of all the 26 alphabets. If you are not familiar with the sounds, you can use that video to teach, and there are so many phonics songs available on YouTube. You can also use that. Points to remember. Once you start to teach phonics to your kids, do please remember few things. That is, the phonics sounds might look very simple for us, but they are really new to the kids. So please be slow and patient. Do not rush. Take only 2 to 3 sounds a day and make them practice lot of fun activities and worksheets. All you have to do is keep it simple and fun. Keep the phonics session very short. Please stop before the child gets bored. Make it as fun as possible. In the coming videos, I will be sharing activities and worksheets for this part 1. So this is part 1 of phonics series, and part 2 will be the step 2 of teaching phonics, that is blending. In the next video, we will see what is blending and how to teach kids to blend the sounds. Thanks for watching. Hope this video will be useful for you. If yes, please give a like. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss part 2 of this series.